Healthy lifestyle tips for busy working women. As a working woman, it can feel like there's never enough time to focus on yourself. But your health is important. A healthy lifestyle doesn't just have to be complicated. Here is how you can stay healthy and energized even with a busy schedule. Number one, start your day right. Don't skip breakfast. A healthy breakfast will fuel you for the day ahead. Number two, eat more fruits and veggies. Try to add fruits and vegetables to your meals. They give your body the vitamins and minerals it needs. You can blend fruits for a quick smoothie or add vegetables to your rice or beans. Number three, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Keep a bottle on your desk and aim to drink at least 8 glasses. Number four, plan your meals. When you plan your meals, you avoid unhealthy snacks, nuts, or even boiled eggs as quick snacks to keep you going. Number five, move your body. Don't forget to stretch or take a walk. Small exercises like this help keep your body active and your mind sharp. Remember, a healthy you is a happy you and productive you. Start with small changes and stick to them. Healthy lifestyle is just the goal. For working women, you have to eat well. You have to include fruits and veggies in your diet. You have to hydrate. You have to work smartly. Self-care is the goal. Healthy living. One fruit a day, just one fruit, keeps me healthy. I am Kobindi of Fruit of the Day with Kobe. Remember to share this video with your colleagues so they too can live a healthy lifestyle. One fruit a day keeps me healthy. See you again in the next video.